credit card size like multi-tools. That's what they're working on. So I gave them criteria, and I said I need at least 4 tools on your multi-tool. John and Dan both picked sawtooth. Okay, great. How are you guys going to make it? Well, we need a certain cutter. Okay, perfect. So we found these in the stock room. We don't have an arbor to hold that, so make an arbor, right? So these guys can continue their projects, right? If you don't have it, we can make it, right? It's simple as that, you know? If we can't make it on these machines, then we don't need to be machinists. I'll tell you that right now.
I like it all. I like that I'm given a project and I can use manual machine. I can use a CNC. I can weld it if I need to. I like just being able to say, like, I made this. I always liked welding, and that's what I originally planned to come to school for. And then Andrew encouraged machining, and as part of the welding program, you have to take a machining class, and I naturally got the hang of it and really enjoyed it.
I hear students say that they're really pleased with the experience. You can be just a machinist or just a welder, but you're not going to appreciate everything around you. You're not going to appreciate when you design something, the machinist that has to make it or the welder that has to assemble it and weld it. And the experience they get here, and one of the things they feel most confident about is they understand everything up and downstream from them. I like them to take apprenticeship programs and welding programs, so they'll always have that as a backup as well. People come in just as well starting with 0 skills other than they're ready to work and they're willing to be here. So that's probably the most important skill of all of them.
You could take a block of steel and put it on one of these CNC machines and hit the go button, but you might not end up with a good part. A good operator has to know all these intricate details. The skills we're really looking for new hires, they need to have a decent math background. We need to have a good mechanical aptitude and be able to understand drawings and how a CAD system may work, and just being able to read prints. Communication skill sets are huge for our employees, and hard work never really hurt either.
First and foremost, they'll be ready for machining, either manual. They'll be ready for CNC machining. I also prepare them for jobs in either CAD or CAM, which is the programming of the parts in the computer. They should go out of here fairly confident that they'll have a job anywhere within that field.
You may start as a machinist, but we have quality control departments, we have supervisory positions, all the way through to engineering and IT.
I attended a 4-year university and then came to work and started working for my family. And then after that, I realized that I need more specialized training for the machine industry. So I went to a local community college where I did some time on manual machines and CNC machines, the stuff that I expect our new employees to do also.
Me personally, I'm more of a hands-on learner. So it started just working on cars with Dad, working on boats, motors, anything I could just get my hands on. I started in high school a vocational program called mechatronics. I found Lincoln Park boring through my teacher, and they gave me the opportunity to further my career. Lincoln Park Boring is helping me with schooling by sending me to college. They're paying for the classes. They're paying me my hourly wage to sit in class. It makes me feel very grateful.
We have an operation where we do parts in small quantities, and our machinists are responsible to take that part from its print form into a final part. So machinists are our lifeblood.
My classroom experience compared to normal is that I'm able to be on my feet, moving around, playing with machines, doing more lab work than more of a lecture.
Well, being that we have equipment that the students would see in real life, they're able to see it firsthand, work on it, set it up, tear it down, program it. One thing that's nice is we have trainers that go along with the equipment that we can sit in the classroom that work the exact same way as the machines do. On your way to your associates, you might feel kind of dead end. All of a sudden you're like, oh, I got a certificate. All right, let's keep going. Let's get to the next certificate. Before you know it, you've got a degree. Hopefully you go through the program. Since it is a college, you may be able to add a couple of chords.
Jump in and do it. There's tons of jobs out there in the manufacturing, machining, welding field. I don't think you'll ever not be able to find a job.